Surya Vidya Niketan. Subject Social Studies. 5th class, 2nd term. Today date is 26/5/2021. Good morning, children. I am your Bhagyalakshmi ma'am. We are complete the 3 lessons. In our 2nd term, we complete the first lesson, second lesson, third lesson. Now we are going to discussing 4th lesson. The land of snow. The land of snow. Last week we discussed some of this lesson. Now we will continue the remaining lesson. Children, today we discuss contents are about Greenland country, occupation of the peoples, transport, cities, life of the people. These contents we discuss now. Life of the people. The native people of Greenland are called the Eskimos. The native people of Greenland are called Eskimos. They are also called Greenlanders or Inuits. Eskimos are also called Greenlanders or Inuits. The Eskimos are short and stout. They have yellowish skin, high cheek, bones and narrow eyes. Also, Eskimos wear clothes made from the skin of seals because to keep themselves warm. Why Eskimos wear clothes made from the skin of seals? To keep themselves warm. They wear hooded jackets called parkas. Children, in winter season we wear sweaters. Like that, Eskimos wear hooded jackets. This type of jackets are called parkas. See in this picture, these all peoples wear parkas. This type of sweaters are called parkas. Understand, children? During winter, the Eskimos live in snow houses called igloos. During winter, the Eskimos live in snow houses called igloos. The igloos made of ice blocks. The igloos made of ice blocks. Modern igloos can be made of wood, stone and skin. Earlier igloos made of ice blocks. Modern igloos can be made of wood, stone and also skin. During summer, the Eskimos live in the skin tents called taupiks. In winter season, they live igloos. During summer season, Eskimos live in taupiks. They change their houses on the season, on the basis of season. Okay, children? Eskimos are skilled fishermen and hunters. See in this picture? Eskimos are skilled fishermen and hunters. In the past, they used bows and harpoons to hunt animals. First picture use bows, second picture use harpoons. This type of weapons used to hunt animals. They hunt seals, whales, walruses and polar bears for their meat, skin and fat. What is the use of hunting? Children, which type of animals they hunt? Seals, whales, walruses and polar bears. What is the use of these animals? To use their meat to the food and also use their skin to make clothes and also tents. And fat is used as fuel. Understand? Next, the Eskimos make holes in the ice and wait for a fish or seal to come to the surface to breathe. As soon as the fish or seal comes, they quickly pierce the back of the animal with a harpoon. Do you understand? One more repeat. The Eskimos make holes in the ice above the seas. The water is changed into ice. This type of ice make a hole and wait for a fish or seal to come to the surface to breathe. As soon as the fish or seal comes, they quickly pierce the back of the animal with a harpoon. This is the one type of method to hunting fish. The Eskimos make use of almost every part of the hunted animal. Eskimos make use of almost every part of the hunted animals. Like this. They use its flesh as food. Hunting animals' flesh is as food. Its blubber or fat. Blubber or fat is used as fuel. Fat is used as fuel. The skin is used to make small boats. The skin is used to make small boats, clothes, boots, like this. The bones and tendons are used to make needles. Bones also used. How the bones or tendons are used to make needles, harpoons and threads. Okay, children? Transport. Transport. Here, small boats called kayaks and big boats called yumaks made of seal skin. These boats also make from the skin of seals. Small boats are called kayaks in this first picture, and also big boats called yumaks and the second picture. The small boats used to make hunting and the big boats used transport. Big boats, yumaks, used of water transport. Understand, children? Small boats are kayaks. These are used hunting animals. Big boats called yumaks. These boats are used as water transport. These boats are also made of seal skins. Okay. In the past, sledges pulled by huskies were the main means of transport on land. Kayaks, yumaks are water transports. Sledges pulled by huskies were the main transport on land. Sledges are transport on land. Modern Greenland. The life of the Eskimos has undergone many changes in recent. They now use motorized sledges called skidoos and motorboats. See this picture? Before days, they use yumaks, kayaks. They pulled by themselves. Now they use motorized sledges on land. Motorized sledges called skidoos. These skidoos used transport on land and motorboats used transport on water. Next, they use rifles. They use rifles and guns in place of harpoons for hunting. Earlier days, they use harpoons, bows to hunt the animals. Nowadays, they use rifles and guns. Okay, children? Schools, colleges, and hospitals have been set up in towns and cities. Today, they are very well developed in that country. Many people work in mines and oil fields. Cities. Nuuk is the capital and the largest city of Greenland. It was earlier known as Gotha. The earlier name of Nuuk is Gothab. Sissimut is the second biggest city. It has a big shipbuilding yard. Nuuk also capital of the Greenland. Sissimut also a largest shipbuilding yard city. Children, now we discuss the checkpoint bits. The original inhabitants of Greenland. Who are the original inhabitants of Greenland? Inuits. Very good. An important latitude that passes through Greenland. Which latitude passes through Greenland? Arctic Circle. Arctic Circle. A huge block of ice that floats on water. This huge blocks of ice is called iceberg. Iceberg. Very good. A breed of dog that pulls sledges in Greenland. Huskies. What is the answer? Huskies. Now, read and answer. A Roman. Tick the correct answers. Greenland is also called, you observe children, ACR, same, but the spelling is different. Greenland is also called Kalalit Nunnat. Answer C. Greenland is located towards the northeast of North America. Okay, the third one. The Inuits wear clothes made from the skin of seals. Yes. To go from one place to another on land, you observe here, on land, on water. To go from one place to another on land, the Inuits use a sledge. On land, they use sledge. Due to the mainland being covered with ice, settlements are mainly found in the coastal areas. What is that? Coastal areas. B Roman, write T for true or F for false. Icebergs cannot be easily seen by sailors. It is true or false? True. Yes, icebergs cannot be easily seen by sailors. Greenland is very hot during the summer season. Greenland is very hot climate in summer season. No. Yes, it is false. There are thick forests in the northern part of Greenland. Here, thick forests are there? No. So, there are thick forests in the northern part of Greenland is false. Sledges are pulled by polar bears. Sledges are pulled by polar bears. Sledges are pulled by huskies. So, it is false. F. Sisimiut is a big city in Greenland. Sisimiut is a big city in Greenland. Yes, it is true. Children, also I will send question and answers to this lesson, fourth lesson. You also complete the CW. We will meet the next class. Okay, children? Complete your CW with good handwriting. Thank you. And also complete the worksheet bits also. Thank you, children.